If you're a first-time or a move-up buyer that is more concerned about space, proximity to Lekki, and the ideal environment for the kids, then this is the right place for you. I am Deitimo Williams, a property consultant and your best guide to your real estate investment journey. Today I'll be showing you a beautiful modern house located in the most sought-out location in Lekki Lagos, Nigeria. This beautiful modern house is a semi-detached duplex with a BQ and is sitting on a 230 square meters parcel of land. Now it has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a well-equipped kitchen and a very spacious living room. And it's on the market for 88 million naira with a payment plan. Now before we go ahead with the tour of this beautiful house, let me give you a little history about your environment. Now this beautiful house is located in a prime location on the highland along the Lekki Expressway. It shares a boundary with the Victoria Garden City, popularly known as VGC. Now in terms of proximity, it's about 14 minutes drive from here to the Lekki Phase 1. Now depending on your car and your speed. Now it will also interest you to know that the regional road is being constructed presently. Now imagine you waking up, coming out from your estate and eating the road straight to Lekki Phase 1, just like you have Lekki Phase 1 linking to Ikoyi Bridge. It's more like a shortcut. That's exactly what you'll be getting when the regional road is completely done. Also, the annual rental income in this area for duplexes is from 3 million naira and above. That's a very good rental income for you, right? So now that we're done with the history of the environment, we can go on the house tour proper, right? Let's go. One of the unique features about this beautiful modern house is the fact that it has a wooden tiles attached to it. It brings a beauty to this beautiful semi-detached duplex. Now getting into this amazing place, you're graced with this space that can pack about 2 cars conveniently, and you still have space to do whatever it is you want to do, just like you have this here. Or you can decide to put in your artificial plants to make this place beautiful, because there's this thing about having plants in your homes. It brings out a beauty. It brings out the beauty of the place. Now let's go in to see other places. Now before we see what is behind this amazing door, I would like you to know that this door is automated, or rather we can say it's a smart door. You can either use a key card, a passcode, or you can use the fingerprint. So it's left to you, it's your choice. So I'll see you at the other side. You caught me. Okay, this is one of my favorite spots in this house. I have a whole lot of favorite spots in this place, but this is one of my favorite spots. Now, aside the fact that I like it, I think one of the reasons I like this place is the fact that you can observe everything that is going on in this place. Okay, now getting into this beautiful apartment. I know I told you it's very spacious. Obviously, I don't need to talk so much about it because you can see for yourself it's really spacious. Apart from the fact that it's very spacious, one of the things I love about this place is the fact that it has lots of windows that gives you the opportunity to enjoy natural light and space for fresh air. You can see it's so amazing. Look at all the windows. It's so much and it's beautiful. Now the furniture doesn't come with the house, but we just did it so that you can have a feel how to design the place. But what the house comes with, it comes with these beautiful chandeliers, then it comes with the AC pots, but all this console and everything, it doesn't come with it. So the place is really, really spacious. Okay, this is the dining area. You can decide to make the table quite bigger, or depending on the size of your family. So it's a very
nice mirror.
Oh yes. It's beautiful. I think one of the reasons why I like it, I get to check myself out once in a while.
Also the smart console.
Yeah, and this also, thank you very much. I think I forgot this. Now with this, you can decide to see everyone that is coming and get to know your visitors and all that. So this is also very good. Then this space, it doesn't come with the house, but we're just giving you an idea on how to maximize this space on that staircase, because a lot of people just let it to waste, but you can maximize it. You can do whatever it is you want to do. You can decide to do a wine shelf or whatever it is, just make it beautiful, your own space. So this is for you to know how it is, and you can take advantage, you know, replicate what we have here. It's not a crime.
What about the bath?
Oh, the bath doesn't come with the house. Doesn't come with the house, but we just did this so that you would also know how to, you know, maximize the space. So all this doesn't come with the house. Now, as you can see how spacious this place is, let me take you around to the other parts of the house. I have so many special spots to tell you, to show you rather. Amazing. Welcome to the master's bedroom. Now this is the balcony to the master's bedroom. You can do whatever it is you want to do here. If you want to put this it's beautiful, just do whatever it is you want to do for the master's bedroom. Now let's check in. Let me show you how beautiful the place is. Remember, I kept emphasizing on space. Now look how spacious the master bedroom is. We've actually staged it for you to know how spacious it is. You can decide to have your mini sit out just like you have here. It's amazing. And even with the king size bed, there is still enough space in this master's bedroom. Now you can decide to change this and probably put a vanity mirror here, do whatever it is you want to do. It's still, you know, it's still spacious. It's amazing. I like the chandelier. The chandelier comes with it. Remember, all these things doesn't come. Like I said, we've staged it. So the chandelier comes with it. We have the AC pot also comes with it. And we also have the mini walk-in closet. Now you can see the wardrobe, lots of storage spaces. You have lots of storage spaces and you can do whatever it is you want to do. If you do not want to do this, beautiful. So this is amazing. Now going into the master's bedroom. Things I love about this bedroom is the fact that you have the option of a walk-in shower. Like me personally, I like the walk-in shower. or you have the bathtub. Now it's amazing, whichever one you want is good for you. We also have a water closet, and we have the floating vanity mirror. So this is beautiful. We have the water heater and the shower head, so it's amazing. And this also comes, so whatever it is you want to do, it's beautiful. This is so nice.
Does it come with the light of mirror?
Yes, it does. It does come with the light of mirror. It's part of what we're given. So you can see the light comes up and you can take it out. We've made life easy for you. So like I said, I was actually saving the best for the last. Now I'm taking you to my best. In short, I'll keep it a secret. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is really good. Oh, you caught me in one of my favorite places in the world. God, I love this place.
When it comes to this, we always talk about this place in the place. So what's that?
Okay, I'll tell you a little secret today. I love the kitchen. I love anything that's to do with a beautiful kitchen because I'm a foodie. I'm a foodie, yeah, I said it. I love to cook. I love the kitchen. I love food. So anything that has to do with the kitchen, it's mine. Oh, this is one of my favorite places, like I said. But we're not here to talk about my favorite place, right? Okay, this kitchen is very nice. I like the blend of colors in the kitchen. I like the countertop. It's very amazing. I like the fact, okay, one thing I need you to know is that this doesn't come with it. Let me fix it back. Okay, this doesn't come with it, but what comes with the kitchen, like I said, is fully fitted. Now it comes with the washing machine, it comes with the gas stove, it comes with the vents. Now we have a vent, it's also known as heat extractor. So we have it here. Now all this doesn't come, so it just comes with the gas stove. It comes with the microwave, it comes with the oven. So we have loads of storage spaces here also. Now this doesn't also come, but as you can see, for those of us, like I said, I'm a foodie. When you have your TV here, you can watch Food Network and cook up a storm in the kitchen. Now you also have the AC, the air conditioning pot. It doesn't come with the AC, but it comes with the pot. It doesn't come with this. So it's really nice. And we also have a space for your pantry. Now you can decide to do anything you want to do here. So it's very nice. And we also have dependent light up there, so that's really good. This kitchen is very good. We have 3-bedroom terrace duplex going for 55 million naira and 4-bedroom terrace duplex going for 60 million naira, all with a flexible payment plan of about 12 months, and you make an initial deposit of 30%. Now, I forgot to mention something very important, which is one of the features of this amazing estate. This estate, we have 2 pools, one for the children and one for the adults. And we have a gym center where you can knock off those weights. Or you want to look healthy, trim. So if you watch this video till the end, you are officially a member of this Smart Investors family. So click on the subscribe button. You know how we do it. Smash on the like button. And also click on the notification button so that whenever you get any amazing videos like this, you'll be the first person to get it, and you can share to everyone that you know that might be interested in this amazing offer. So until I come your way next time, have a lovely day and love you all.